Welcome to Liminalis. I'm your host, Jonathan Fredette, and we're out of the apothecary today working on lion's mane mushroom and extracting it using sound. I can guarantee you one thing, it's not woo-woo magic. It's a scientific process by which high-frequency sound waves penetrate through the cell wall of the plant or mushroom you're working with. Those high-frequency sound waves create a process known as cavitation, in which microscopic bubbles erupt, causing the breakdown of the cell wall. In doing so, it releases the vital constituents bound within the mushroom and allows that solvent to capture them quite effectively, making the tincture all that more potent. And if you're interested in making tinctures at home and developing your own artistry, maybe starting your own apothecary, your own practice, The Art of Extraction goes live July 13th. It's a self-guided course in which we're hosting through Circle, a community platform in which we're all learning together. If you're interested, check out the link below. Lion's mane is such a fascinating mushroom. It's become incredibly popular over the past several years, specifically for its cognitive supportive benefits. Of course, back in traditional Chinese medicine, it's been used as a stomach tonic, helping with ulcers and treating gastrointestinal issues. And I can say firsthand, I've actually used it for stomach relief. But more popularly, lion's mane is used as a daily tonic for brain support due to two primary compounds, hericenones and erinacines. The hericenones are typically found in the mushroom fruiting body, while the erinacines are found within the mycelium. For us, we're going to specifically be focusing on those hericenones found within the fruiting body, which may help with nerve growth factor and helping support healthy neuron function within the brain, overall making it a delicious and amazing tonic. Lion's mane is a very friendly mushroom. There are not a whole lot of contraindications, and it's something that you can really start to incorporate into your life. If you use it consistently over several days, you actually begin to feel those effects. At a high enough dose, I tend to notice those effects because those compounds have the ability to pass the blood-brain barrier. That is noticeable in a sensation. For me, I feel like lion's mane really helps keep me sharp with my focus and attention and memory, but overall is a beautiful tonic to just support daily brain wellness. So let's dive into the extraction of lion's mane mushroom. strong. A lot of the really like nutty notes of lion's mane really come through that strong tincture. For me personally, when I take lion's mane, I notice a mood shift. And that's probably one of my favorite ways that I really feel and sense that medicine, is that my mood brightens. I feel like lion's mane really embodies some really solar, some sun energy. It's very bright and it like lights up the mind. It keeps it healthy and it like brings in new energy. It's one that I just don't take enough, that's for sure. Anyways, I hope you learned something and I hope that you enjoyed this. Keep following along. We're gonna show you a lot more from here within the apothecary. We're gonna be diving more into herbal medicine and mushrooms and certainly tincture making. Peace.